All right, we're on I81 South, Pennsylvania. That was bad. Airbags were off. You can see where we are right now. We're going down to Harrisburg. More lights. They passed me up here. People went backing down on ramps to try to get off the highway. It's going to be bad for a while here. This might be another accident right here. Looks like somebody may have gone off the side. Just lost control going off the edge. That's my guess. Or no, this one's broken down there. Autopilot won't go on. It says reduced front radar visibility. I guess mine still has radar. A lot of Teslas don't have radar. This is a 90D from 2017 early. It's got the older setup, and I guess that is limiting me right now. If it was pure vision, I guess it would work. I don't know. Here comes the next traffic jam. Looks like we're about to hit another big slowdown. It looks like they treated the roads over here, so it looks like to me. This is getting worse and worse. You can see it's 32 degrees now. Where we are. I'm guessing I have like a film of ice on the front of my car or something, on the bumper. Looks like there's a stoppage ahead here. I hope people are going to slow down behind me. Must be a really bad accident here or something. You can see we're just below freezing. It seems to be going faster now. Maybe it's just a bad area on the roads, and maybe there's no accident. Well, my guess is that was the worst of it. Hopefully it'll turn to rain soon. Alright, if you really look at the map, each time we cross the mountains, the traffic really slows down. You can see the traffic speed. And there's probably a lot of slush on the road, a lot of snow, a lot of ice. And there's bridges too, which are really dangerous. But it seems like all the accidents happen in the very beginning. People didn't slow down initially. Visibility is terrible. It's almost like complete whiteout here near this ridge of this mountain. That's why the traffic keeps slowing down so dramatically. You have to. Plow. I think this is like the last hilltop, and then hopefully it'll be all rain after this, and hopefully it'll wash the crap off of my car. But there may be an accident here. People really were speeding up again. I'd be surprised if there isn't an accident. Looks like a curve to the right after a long straightaway. This is it, like the grand finale here. Looks like a crane. Looks like maybe a tractor trailer. Yeah, looks like it hit this guardrail on the left. Took it all out. See that? Bounced off and all over the place. Jackknife sideways on its side. Look at that. Ooh, not much left of the cab. Yeah, now we're heading downhill and it's 32 and rising. This is supercharged number 2308 on the original battery pack, original motors. Stiff cord and very cold.